Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best publishing companies in New York City. So let's get started. So first we're going to select New York, New York, and we are going to increase the radius to about 30 as New York is huge. Next, lock that in. We are going with publishing as it's the publishing capital of the United States. Yep, we're gonna add this. Next, key decision makers. We want owners and founders, and we want directors and executives. So we're gonna lock that in. I'm coming at this as I'm a digital marketing agent trying to work with publishers. So the first filter I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do actually a revenue filter today. And I want companies that make less than $5 million because I don't want like maybe even because it's New York like $10 million. I don't want like these huge like massive industry players. Like we want to work with more sizable contenders here. So I'm gonna hit next, lock that in. Final next, we are going to set a Google review. Set this just between 3 and a 5. This just ensures that you're working with reputable and respectable companies. The benefit of this to you is they're just going to be easier to work with. If they're respected by their clients and customers, then they're obviously going to be respected by you. Or they're obviously going to give respect to you. My bad. And next we're going to go to deliver. I'm just going to hone in on a lot of these marketing metrics for you. So Google count, score, both really good. GMB profile, GMB claimed, really good. GMB claimed is great if they rank high in the search position, but their business isn't claimed. It's like a very easy it's a very easy service to add onto your package, and it's like you almost create like they now have a need that you can fix. Next is company profile, company Facebook, company Instagram, company LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter. So social media is really great just to gauge like if they have bad SEO but good social media presence, then they need more work on SEO or vice versa, right? It's just insightful when building out their marketing profile. We're gonna ignore direct dial as we are getting direct email already, and it doubles the cost of our leads. Revenue, headcount, and data established is great for taking your 100 good leads to 20 great leads. In determining how long you could potentially be working with the client depending on their revenue and headcount. Ad pixels are insightful for marketing intent. The technology filters are also insightful for again building out your package. If these people use Google Analytics and you know Google Analytics really well, work well with it, then that's just another service you can build out or in your marketing package. And then search term, search location, and search position are just great SEO metrics. So next, to lock that in, finish that up, give it a title, set your contacts required, save a draft just in case you want to cancel it to change something. You're not starting from scratch. But with that being said, I'm going to launch it. Publishing in New York City, it's allocating, which means that you'll get it back in about 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best publishing leads using Coldlytics. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.